Hello guys, welcome to Gossipfunda. My name is Abhiyanshu and today's topic is Com.google.android.apps.nbu.paisa.user. First, let me tell you what is it actually. Com.google.android.apps.nbu.paisa.user is the package name of the latest version of Google Pay app. The details of the latest Google Pay version available in the Play Store are as follows. This video will explain com.google.android.apps.nbu.paisa.user, the most advanced Google Pay app package. As we proceed, we will examine the new features as well as the most common concerns that Google Pay users have. Introduction. Currently, we live in a world that is totally digital. Our lives are made easier and more convenient by online payment options. Among the simplest and most secure methods for online payments, UPI apps are one of the most popular. In addition to paying bills, you can link multiple bank accounts and communicate with others. In spite of this, security concerns should not be overlooked. It is important to be aware of both positives and negatives of UPI applications. There are many users who use Google Pay, which is one of the most popular platforms from Google. New features of Google Pay. A few new features have been added to Google Pay in its latest version. As well as providing secure options for making transactions, they also improve the overall user experience. The process of creating and managing a company through Google Pay. It is now easier to complete transactions with Google Pay if you create groups. Creating a group is as simple as following these steps. Open Google Pay. Next, click on New Transaction. The third step is to select New Group from the screen that appears. Then you will need to add contacts from a contact list in step 4. The maximum number of people you can add is 100. Press Done at the end of the process. In addition, you can create group chats that can have up to 100 participants. The easiest way to begin is to click the 3 vertical dots and choose to start a group chat option. Now let's talk about the most asked issue, that is com.google.android.apps.nbu.paisa.user has stopped. The following steps will help you to resolve this issue. When you hold the GPay icon for 1 second, the eye icon will appear. Click on it. There are several different storage options available to you. Afterward, clear all data in the cache. Open the app again. Log back in and your com.google.android.apps.nbu.paisa.user has stopped problem should be solved. Conclusion. In order to ensure the receiver gets the fund, the account of the sender should be credited after every transaction. Make sure that all details are correct before contacting the help center. It is our responsibility to be vigilant in order to avoid security risks that could be caused by our mistakes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Also subscribe to Gossipfunda for more videos like this. Scroll our blog for more such amazing content. Visit gossipfunda.com. See you in the next video.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.